Now, in this particular video of CSS, we will talk about giving these styles to the links. When I say links, it is hyperlink. So as we know, using the anchor tag of HTML, we can create any text or image as a hyperlink. But here particularly, we will talk about the text where when I will make any text as a hyperlink, it would be of blue color with the underline. If I want to give some changes like in the color or whether I want to put the underline or not, I can do some styling with the links as well. So let's see a practical implementation where on the different events of a hyperlink, I can design a different color. I can put a different color or some different formatting as well. So let's start the practical implementation where I will treat the links in a different way. So let's start a practical now.
Alright, so for decorating the hyperlink, that is the anchor tag, what I have done, I have taken the style tag over the head section of HTML, and there I put first of all the anchor tag, means the named selector for the style. Alright, so here for all the anchor tag, what I have done, text decoration is none. As we know, by default the hyperlinks are having the underline, but by default I don't want underline should be there with any hyperlink, so I made it none. After that, for the different purposes, I am using the different colors. For example, anchor link means by default the color of the hyperlink will be red, means the text will be red by default as it comes blue, right? Visited means once you visit that particular link, then it will be grayish color. However, when you will put the mouse over it, then at that particular time it will be pink. When you will click, it will be green. Alright, so let's save it, and I'll put an anchor tag here in the body, that is the href. Like I want to go for just a sample text. Alright, so let's save it. Let's come to the browser. And here, as you can see, when it is the text, if the hyperlink is being here, it is of red color. I put the mouse over it, it is becoming pink, right? Because I said hover, it's pink. All right. When I will click, it is green, and here I reached. Now, since this particular link is visited now, when I'll come back, you can see it is of grayish color, gray, pink, green. That's it. So since the particular page is already visited, it will not be in red color again. All right, so this is how you can work with the basic of hyperlink. Now one more thing is, when I am putting the mouse over it, I want the hyperlink should be there. So in hover, what I can do, I can add one more style, that is the text decoration is underline. So let's refresh, and now here you can see when I am putting the mouse over it, it is being underlined. Alright, so these are the things which you can do with the anchor tag, that is with the hyperlink, while working with the CSS.